Friends, Pam Shepherd here, and today I'm going to cover this piece of plywood my husband cut for me. This piece of plywood, I think it's 12 inches wide, and it is 18 inches long. And so I'm going to put this muslin on the very top, but before I do, I'm going to put some batting. You're supposed to put 100% cotton batting because you'll be ironing it, and if you use the other, it will most likely melt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it where it just barely hangs over the edge, I think, and you see what that feels like. Feels pretty good. Really what I need to do is make it just a little bit over 12 and then just a little bit over 18, right? I don't know that I would really have to. Oh, that is doubled. So I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to lay this pretty even. I'm going to do a little bit of this before I put the fabric, just so that it'll stay good. And my husband, a long time ago, gave me this electric stapler, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to pull this, oops, a little too taut. About like that. Woo! That's loud. There, camera. I don't know if I should be doing the fabric at the same time, so I don't hit the, maybe I should have. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the fabric on now. Don't have a lot of excess fabric there, do I? That'll work. Okay, so let's this, yeah, that's plenty good. Okay. Okay, do the opposite side. Pull it nice and tight. Okay, let's do the end. Okay. It does work better if I push down on it, that's for sure. Okay, so let's do this end a little bit. See, that one didn't go in all the way. Shoot. I have to go get my hammer. I'm going to pull this like that. See if... There we go. Do the same thing here. Gosh. Okay. Do the same thing here. Oops. Looking pretty good. Your strings. Okay, let's see. I think that's pretty good. Oh, I can put one here. Looks like okay. Oh, that's nice. See? And put my iron either here or just beside it. Either way. I need the whole space, or I can put it right on it. Either way. Perfect, right? Alright, so see? How nice. I think the 2 layers made it really nice. Okay, great. Alright, so look at that. There you have it. 12 inches by 18 inches. I could have actually gone a little bit more, but I was going to put it on a different container, but I think this is perfect. So, yeah. I think that's really good. Like I said, I could leave it down here like that. Iron what I need to iron, which I don't even really have it on right now. Okay, so there you have it. An instant, really nice padded ironing board. Perfect for my sewing room. Okay? All right. All right. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day. And I'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.